Hey, what's up guys? Google has surprisingly released the design and some key specifications for the upcoming Pixel 7 and 7 Pro that is supposed to be coming in the month of October this year. And Google is one of those companies that did not keep a secret in there. They eventually get posted them on their website and even give the sneak peek of the device themselves rather than giving from leaks. Other companies like Apple and Samsung keep the secret of their smartphone and they are doing every possibility that their phones did not leak. But Google is a company that is doing this differently. And the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are here, and here is the first ever look of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Both of these devices are looking exactly similar in terms of design as the last year Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, but this time around you will be noticing that the camera module on the back side is going to be attached with the aluminum frame that is coming alongside with the body of the device. This is going to be a better choice and good for our planet. And moving forward, there is going to be a dual camera system for the Pixel 7, and Pixel 7 Pro will be coming with a triple camera setup. And interestingly, you will be noticing that the camera bumps are going to be a little bit bigger as compared to last year Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. And coincidentally, you will be also noticing that the Pixel 7 Pro camera sensor design is looking similar to the iPhone 14 Pro Max front camera design. And moving forward, unfortunately we don't know about the camera specification that are coming for Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but we do know that it's going to be coming with a new and improved Tensor 2 chipset, which will be more power efficient. Another thing that is being confirmed by Google is the color of both the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Basically, the Pixel 7 will be coming with obsidian, snow and lemon green color, and the Pro variant will be coming with obsidian, snow and hazel color, which is basically going to be a new color options to have. Now the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will also going to be coming with a new and improved Android 13 support inside the device, which is definitely going to be a big upgrade to have for the Pixel 7 series. Moving forward, Google also on that particular event give us a Pixel 8 device which is going to be looking similar in terms of design, but there are some compromises. And the Pixel 6a will cost you around $449. You will also going to see a new tablet coming from Google that is expected to be releasing in the next year 2023. And moving forward, we are also going to see Google Buds Pro as well, which are coming with different color options. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new Pixel 7 and 7 Pro design? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.